clients would call our 1-800 number and they would select what we call a bucket, which reflects their legal issue most closely.
Our philosophy here at Elder Law of Michigan is to look at a holistic approach to dealing with our clients. And to do that, we've brought together a phenomenal team. We've brought together social workers, attorneys, people who specialize in economic benefits and economic security issues. And on top of that, to keep them safe, we've also built an elder abuse prevention program.
It's an amazing place to work at. It's an amazing place that provides a much needed service to seniors.
I think that serving a segment of a population that is most vulnerable, which is the low-income senior, is the responsibility of every attorney.
Here at ELM, our philosophy is really to work with our senior client to figure out what is best for them.
You know, I talked to her one day, 3 days later I was in her home, she had this big old hickey on her head. I was like, what happened? She's like, I fell. She said, but I'm always falling. So I'm like, well, who have you told? And she said, I didn't tell anybody. I said, well, while I'm here, call your doctor, let him know that you're falling. You need somebody to help you. So she did, but she hadn't thought that she could do that and somebody would respond.
I think about the letter that we received yesterday. And in that letter, this elderly lady reflected on the fact that she was able to get food benefits because of the work of one of our staff. And she closed her letter with a P.S. And the P.S. was simply, I love you. And for me, that symbolizes the dedication of our staff. That symbolizes for me the work that we do every day. And that is my motivation to come in every day.
They don't have a voice, and we're here to be the voice for them.
I think it's had a humongous impact. I think it's an impact that probably is not measurable in dollars and cents, but it's immeasurable in the benefit.
In its 25-year history, Elder Law of Michigan has served over 300,000 clients. That's 300,000 people that it would not have had the assistance, would not have had the resources, would not have had a way to make their life better.
We are Elder Law of Michigan.